Welcome to this BI Quick Tip. For more background on the BI tool, please visit our Help Files website.
In this video, we'll show you how to use bookmarks in Power BI. Bookmarks allow you to capture the configured view of a report page, which includes filters, slicers, and the state of visuals. This quick tip is mainly for developers who create dashboards. Let's start by first importing our data. We'll click on Get Data and then choose Excel. Browse to the Excel file you want to import, select it, and then click on Open. We'll select Table 1 and Sheet 1 by clicking here. Then we'll click on Load to import the data. We'll click on Table 1 to expand it and then click FY or fiscal year. We'll resize the bar graph by dragging the corners and then click on Meet, Miss, and Total Number from the Fields column. Now we'll select the slicer visual. We'll resize and drag it to a better location. Then we'll click on FY and change it to a list view by clicking here and then selecting List. We can see that the slicer filters the bar graph on the left depending on the date we select. From here, we'll go to View, select our slicer, and then click on Bookmarks. We'll hide the filter pane and then click on Add. We'll click on the three dots next to the bookmark and then click on Rename. We'll rename it to 2016 and we'll do the same for the rest of the years as well. Now, when we click on a bookmark, it will filter to that specific year that we select, and you can see the changes reflected in real time.
Thank you for watching this episode of the BI Quick Tips series. You can find all BI Quick Tip videos on the Help Files website. Until next time.